Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we are going to be drawing Silver Chariot. God, I got my precious metals mixed up. Silver Chariot, not gold. Experience Requiem. Silver Chariot Requiem. So, I'm on landscape orientation paper. Use a pencil and an eraser. And use your pause button if I go too fast. So, kind of close up on his face, it's that sort of hunched over pose, the best kind of pose I could find for him. So drawing this guy, it's kind of like there's just a lot of black areas, right? And it's kind of colored in this marbly sort of effect. So it's kind of easy, but then the coloring is where you're gonna have to sort of become inventive, I guess, make it look all shiny. So let's go. So we're gonna do his hat, right? So it starts like way out here, right? And it's gonna go all the way to here. So it's like so wide, okay? And we'll go underneath and around. This can be a sort of a bumpy line. It doesn't have to be perfectly curved or anything, right? So that's his hat, right? You have this lip that comes up here and then a point back here. So this is like the pointy part, just comes back like that. And then we have this big section that comes up and around, right here, and then it'll go back in and down. Okay, there's all these silver parts that we have to draw as well, so we'll just get the main shape of the hat in first. So here's like the side of the hat, and then this kind of bumps around here and goes up underneath this part. And then this will come across like so. And like maybe up here somewhere. So then we have all these silver highlights, right? So we gotta draw them in. So just around the edges. Like so, and then something sticking out here, comes back around, comes into here, and then this comes back out. Back around into there, and then highlight on the bottom, comes around the top of his hat. Here, and then highlight around here, little spiky sort of part, and then goes around the back. So these are all the silver bits, and these are the black bits. So like in the anime, it's colored with like an effect, you know, it's got like this marble sort of effect on the inside, and I think in the anime or in the manga it's just like shaded sort of dark black, and like these sort of sections can have sort of, you know, these sorts of gray and black highlights and just marks sort of in here. So you can add these if you want, but you could do it with your grey colouring pencil as well. There's not a lot of them, but I'll put some. And then, so highlight around here. Back down. Like so. Okay, so that's his hat. Then we'll do his face, right? So what we can see of his face is just like his jaw and his chin. So it just comes down here, comes in, like so. Then we got his chin underneath, and comes up to there. Then we have the side of his face. So the highlight sort of area, like so, and then we can see like a little highlight for his nose, sort of there, right? And that's it. That's basically his face. Right, that's basically his head and his face. So then we're gonna draw in this arrow as well. So it's not in the picture I'm drawing from. I think the arrow should be in it. So I'm gonna add it, right? So we go curve it up to a point. Just gonna add it beside his face here, right? Just curves down like that. And then we go diagonal in like so. And then we bring it up the inside like this. And then we go down to a point here, like so. And then the bottom of the arrow sticks off here. We'll just get in the general shape and then we'll add the details. And then we go diagonal in, a round sort of bumping part. Just there. And then the stick just goes straight down like so. Then we got details inside here. So there's a bit of a shadow on the bottom edge just here of this. Like so. And then we have that beetle that's on the front. So you just have a circle, like a jewel or something here. And then a point goes right up to the top, back down. And then we have a round circle around here, a line down the middle. And the line comes down both sides like so. Comes down around for like legs or something back here. And another point coming down this way. Then the main part of the body, just here around, coming down like that. And it has diagonal lines coming down here. And then this curves around for the metal part, sort of silver part of the arrowhead here. And then legs. So some more sort of little gnarly little legs sticking out here. There, and something like cricket sort of legs back here. Like so. Okay, so that's basically the arrow. So we'll go back and we'll do his shoulders, those big disc-like shoulders, right? So, right, so we got like coming out from the hat up here, we got like the start, so like this big shoulder comes down there. And then we have another circular part comes out and around. Really big to here and then goes back up underneath the arrow and into his face. And there's like a circle right in the middle of this. Well, it's not bang in the middle, it's more up here, I guess. So just like here, like so. And this has another circle coming around. Up to there. And then this has a black highlight, a black shadow inside here. Comes down to there. And then we have some more sort of black sort of sections in here. So black shading all around this. Some up here as well. There can be like some more sort of those lines, those sort of dark sections. As much of them as you want to do. Now, you don't have to do as many as me, of course. You're basically trying to make it look wrinkly. Which of course is trickier than you think. Right, and then the disc on the other side. Big ellipse, big sort of circular line. Up and around. Like so. And then we've like a circle in the center. It's kind of got some shadow on it. There. And then we do another line. Another ellipse, curving around. Curve it all the way, as far as you can, and then back up around here. Like so. And we add some more dark sections here. And this highlight will go all the way around as well. Much like this side. Another highlight up here. Some sort of dark shadows and things. Just wrinkles and stuff. Trying to make it look wrinkly anyway, but this is done with all an effect and like color and different shades of gray and stuff like that. So if you're just doing it with pencil, you know, just adding lines like this can be enough. And all in here is dark black. Right, but then we'll move on and we'll do his sort of chest and body, right? So his chest curves down around here, underneath, and up the other side. Right, like so. And then his collarbones, just here. Not sure if you could call them collarbones, but that's what I'll call them. And then highlights around the edge again. And this collarbone sort of has highlights on him as well. So it's all dark black in here. And this collarbone goes out like so. And then we have some highlights on his neck. So, and then his body just comes down the side here with a highlight, and maybe like a highlight just here on his abs, and then his body comes down here with a highlight, and his arm just got these folds just coming down here, and these folds will have highlights on them as well. And his arm on this side, similar sort of thing, just bumping, coming down, and then we'll have some highlights. Like so. Right, but that's basically it. So then you just color, so like all these are like black and different shades of black and stuff inside, all in here where I'm putting the dots. So it's all dark, real dark inside. Nope, here. And then outside is like different shades of gray. But that's basically it. That's how to draw Silver Chariot Requiem. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.